June 2025 release summary. We're thrilled to announce that BytePhase is officially out of beta for all customers outside India. Our repair shop management software is now fully stable and ready for production use across global markets. Enjoy a smoother, faster, and more reliable experience, built to scale with your business needs. Multi-language support. You can now set your CRM to your preferred language. To change the language, go to Business Information and select your desired language. Note, to access this feature, please request early access from the option available in the left sidebar. To set your business working hours, select Business Settings, then go to Working Hours. Here, you can define your shop's timing so that pickup and drop services are only available during those hours. Customers cannot schedule a pickup and drop-off request outside of business hours. For all light and basic plan users of BytePhase, now you can easily explore our advanced features with the new Request to Upgrade plan option. Just head to the left sidebar, scroll to the bottom, and click Request to Upgrade plan. It's that simple. Send plan upgrade request with single click. On the self-check-in form, we've added a new customer verification field at the beginning of the form. This helps ensure that you receive only genuine and verified requests, reducing spam or fake entries. In address validation for self-check-in, helping user to avoid incomplete or incorrect address details. In business settings, click on Settings and then navigate to General Settings. Here, you'll find toggle options. Enable address validation for self-check-in. This ensures that customers enter a valid address while filling out the self-check-in form. While creating a repair ticket, if the customer's device has a pattern lock, you can now save that pattern directly in the ticket. This means you no longer need to call the customer later to ask for the lock. View trash device types, brands, etc. Go to Job Settings, click on Device Types, then click the Trash Filter button. Choose from options like Active, With Trashed, or Only Trashed. This lets you view and restore deleted device types, brands, and more. Job Age Tracking. A new filter on the job listing page lets you sort jobs based on how long they've been open, making it easier to manage your workload. Mobile App Profile Page. New account action added on the mobile app profile page. Easily manage your account directly from the profile section. Twilio integration for SMS. With Twilio integration, you can send automatic SMS updates to your customers for job creation, status changes, invoices, and more, making customer communication seamless and efficient.